A tech titan's heart stops. Literally. Samsung's co-CEO Han Jong-hee, the genius behind your TV and phone, drops dead at 63 from a heart attack. The tech world's reeling, and Samsung's future, it's hanging by a thread. Stick around to find out what's next. Hey Tech Squad, today we're unpacking a bombshell. Samsung Electronics co-CEO Han Jong-hee's sudden death on March 24, 2025. And this isn't just a loss, it's a shakeup. Let's dive into who he was, why it hurts, and what's at stake. Ready? Let's roll. Han Jong-hee wasn't just a suit, he was a legend. At 63, he'd spent 37 years turning Samsung into a global kingpin. Joining in 88, he made Samsung TVs the world's #1 for 19 straight years. Think LED breakthroughs and sleek designs. Named co-CEO in 2022, he ran consumer electronics and mobile devices, steering giants like Galaxy phones and smart fridges. CNBC and The Verge called him a key figure, and they're not wrong. His death? A heart attack, confirmed March 24th, 2025, leaving a void at the top. So why is this a crisis? Timing. Samsung's already slipping. Its chip game's lagging behind SK Hynix and TSMC, and Apple snatched the smartphone crown. Han's co-CEO, Jun Young-hyun, just stepped up solo after his appointment last week. Talk about pressure. Han was the consumer electronics maestro. Now, Jun's juggling chips and devices. Analysts on Reuters say this could dent Samsung's TV marketing edge and home appliance push, right when trade wars and tariffs loom. This isn't just a death, it's a tipping point. What's Samsung's next move? Jun's got a full plate, revamping chips, fending off rivals, and keeping your Galaxy obsession alive. At last week's shareholder meeting, Han warned 2025 would be tough and pushed for big mergers. Now, Jun's gotta deliver. But can he? Samsung stumbles, your next phone or TV might feel the ripple. The Verge hints at a leadership scramble. CNBC flags regulatory hurdles. Buckle up, this tech giant's at a crossroads. So, what's your take? Can Samsung bounce back, or is this the start of a slide? Drop your thoughts in the comments.